If you have decided to start your own business, or you already have your business and would like to develop it, I could tell this is one of your best decisions which you have ever made. But if you do it wisely, why some businesses are making big amount of profits, go forward successfully, and everything is really great for them, but some the others fail. What is the difference between the successful and not successful businesses? Only one thing: the decisions that decision makers, board members, or business owners are making. In this video, I want to tell you from the idea to profit exactly what you need to start your business or up level your business. Maybe you have your business and would like to make it internationally. You would like to go to the new markets. Great. In this video, I will tell you what you need. Keep watching if you want to know what to do in the business, and also how to develop your business, how to start your business, and how to avoid the common mistakes which are deadly mistakes for business. Validating your business idea. It is the first step, whether we want to start a business or develop the business. What is your business idea? Have you validated it? Is it really valuable? What about the market? Is there enough demand in the market for this idea? When I was 27 years old, I was graduated from the industrial engineering field, and also for about 3 years I had worked in an automotive parts company. I was thinking now it is time for starting my own business. The decision was really great, but let's listen to the rest of it. I said my idea is offering industrial engineering consultancy to the customers. What does it mean? It's about 3 years that in the automotive parts manufacturer, I am helping all the factory and also subcontractors when they want to get some standard certifications. For example, ISO 9001, OHSAS, or ISO Technical ISO, and the others. I am helping them, and I was really successful there because we could do it really fast and really successfully. I was thinking it could be a good business for me. Then I started my own business. I resigned and started by this idea. After about 6 months, advertising, marketing, contacting, no contact for my offers, for my services. Wow, what was it? Why market do not say welcome to my offers? Now I was thinking that there are many customers behind the door and they are knocking the door to come and ask my offers, my services, but no customers, almost zero. But don't worry, since then, after about 19 years, I have established different kind of successful businesses, and I've invested in different kind of businesses. I have helped many business owners to start business and also to develop their business. Even if they have challenges, I could help them to solve their business and make a profitable business for them. Yes, I have been successful in the business, but my first idea failed. My second idea was successful, third, fourth, fifth, and the others were successful also. Craft a winning business plan. First question: who is supposed to pay you and to who you are going to sell your product, your service, your solution? Who is your customer? Who is your ICP, ideal customer profile? Where they are, in which region? Where could you find them? Is it in your region, for example, or do you want to sell them via maybe SaaS, maybe software in the other places? You could specify it. And what is your business plan? How do you want to sell it? What are your products? How do you want to find them? What is your growth diagram? And the other things. All of them should be in your business plan, as well as resources. And how do you want to prepare the fund, maybe the investment that you need? All of them should be in your business plan. Then you need a winning business plan which could answer all of these questions, and also different kind of other questions which you might find in the future. If you want to know what is the business plan, how could you find it, how could you make it, comment below. I will tell you exactly how to prepare the best business plan based on the nature of your business. Maybe you have already your business and maybe you want to start it. No difference. I will help you to make a good business plan and also a winning business plan for your business. Secure funding. For starting your business, for developing your business, you need money. Maybe you want to borrow money from bank, maybe you want to attract some investor and ask investor to invest in your business. Maybe you have your own money and you would like to spend from that. Okay, all of them are okay. But now specify where is coming the money that you need. I am sure you have already specified exactly or calculated exactly the money that you need in the different levels of your business. For example, in the first 6 months, second 6 months maybe, or the first 3 months, second 3 months. It depends on you. What are the periods? What are the seasons based on your business plan? But where are you going to bring money from? It is exactly the question that in this stage you should answer it. Are you going to get loan from the bank? It is okay, but specify it and also negotiate with the bank if bank could offer you, could give you this money. How do you plan to prepare money for your business? And you have already established your business. How did you prepare money for it? Comment below. What is the best money preparation? What is the best way for preparing money and also preparing fund for your business, whether you want to start it or you want to develop it? Comment below and tell me something about your business story. How do you evaluate it? Now it is time for choosing your business structure and make it legal. It means registering your business, because if you want to do business, you need to get tax number and also make it legal and then going forward. What kind of business structure do you like to have? What is the best fit to your business? The same time, when you are registering your business, maybe you want to register your trademark also. Yes, you need to design it. Maybe you yourself want to design it by, for example, maybe Photoshop, maybe Canva, or some of the other software and apps which we could find them easily, and most of them are free. Or maybe you want to ask a designer to design it for you. All of them are okay. When you are registering your company, you need a business name and also a trademark for your business. It means in all of the marketing materials, everywhere you are going to focus on your business name and trademark. And beside that, for sure, you need a website which you will tell who are you, what do you have for offer, and how to contact you, CTA, call to action, everything in that website. All of them should be done in this stage, and you should prepare everything here. While you are making your business legal, you are going to prepare everything that you need in your marketing and contacting with your customer, or preparing a situation for your customers to contact you and know something more about you, maybe your product, your solution, your service, your contact information, and your history about you, everything that could make trust and rapport between you and your prospect and convert your prospect, your lead, to existing customers. When you have your idea, you have registered your company, you have your website, you have your material for marketing. Okay, now it is time for starting selling. Marketing and sales, two different things which should be aligned together. Yes, start marketing. If you want to know how to do marketing, comment below. I will tell you from lead generation up to closing a deal. It is exactly the process. When you have found your sales mindset, you have set your mindset based on the sales and marketing, you will be successful in offering your products and also attracting new customers and make profit by them. This is exactly the time for marketing and sales in the same time, telling your customer who you are, what you have, and how they could contact you and buy your product or your services, and how they could pay you. The best part of the business, yes, receiving money from your customer. It means if everything is wisely and is going really great, now you are going to make profit. And the last but not the least, customer service or after sales services. In this stage, you are going to keep your relation and your contact with your customer to know what do they think, what are their experiences, how you could help them more, and also when you could sell them more and make more profit, while you are offering them your product to solve their challenges, to make their life easier and more comfortable. They are paying you money also, which make profit for you. What I told you in this video, these are something from 0 to 100, from A to Z, when you want to start or develop a business. Please let me know which part has been more beneficial for you and why. Comment below, and also let me know which part do you want to dive in more and you would like to know something more about that, because maybe they are more related to your business, because based on the business nature, the requirements for starting or developing it could be a bit different. For sure, the structure are same, but maybe some parts could be a bit different and also be customized. Comment below if you need something more. I would be really happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumb up, like it, and also share it with your friends, family, colleagues, everyone who wants to be a better version of themselves in the business. And also, if you haven't subscribed in my YouTube channel yet, do it right now. I'm trying to do my best to prepare the best contents in business for you.